this is what the individual pack looks like. So look for NXT superstars and tag team autographs. Hopefully get an autograph. We haven't got an autograph in any of these packs that we've done. Hopefully we will actually get more, or actually get one. But that's the back of the pack. AJ Styles in the front, even though he's not on the box. But here's what the box looks like. Big E, Carmella, and Booker T. Alright, here we go. Open up our first pack. And I'll come out here, bastard. Alright, here we go. We have Dakota Kai, Sasha Banks, SmackDown card. I like the Phillies Heritage cards. Makes me feel like old school baseball cards. Kushida. We got Cameron Grimes. We have Allen and Ginter. Tops 2001 or Tops 2021 Beyond or Bailey. Drew McIntyre, same type of card. And he says you just received a sticker card from 2021 Topps Heritage WWE Roman Reigns. Oh man, that's awesome looking. Awesome. Great first pack. You like the feel of those?
Not bad.
These are different than the other WWE cards we've opened. Alright. Here we go. We got Shelton Benjamin. He wants a title run. I hope he gets one. We got Cedric Alexander. Got some hurt business there. Then we also have The Miz. Card is not that awesome. Sheamus, Celtic Warrior. Then we have Charlotte Flair. Another one of these Allen Ginter cards. We have Macho Man Randy Savage. And then we have a hollow Jimmy Uso. Let's get to this third pack. It's much easier with scissors than trying to open these bastards. Alright, here we go. We have Natalya. We have Chad Gable. Commander Aziz. Roman Reigns God Mode. Then you have the Miz 2007 Superstar card. You look like a real douche. We got the 1-2-3 Kid. X-Pac, 6-Pac, Sean Waltman, and then The Rock. Oh man, we gotta look these up. So far, 3 packs. I mean, these are much better than the other ones, at least in my opinion. What do you think? This is going to be a good pack. Alright. You got Bianca Belair. You have Tony Storm. She no longer works for WWE. I don't know where she'll end up. You have Tommaso Ciampa. And then we know where this guy is. AEW. Kyle O'Reilly. Then we have Seth Rollins. AJ Styles. And then a hollow Carmella. Carmella is money with this card. Alright. Forget what pack, but whatever. Food is being delivered. Alright, we have Eric from the Viking Raiders. We have Scarlett. Karrion Kross. They went well together there. We have a hollow Otis. Like his gimmick with Chad Gable. We have a 2010 superstar in this card. And then we have the head of the table, Roman Reigns, and the Alan Genter card. And then Shinsuke Nakamura in the same type of card. Alright. 6 more packs. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Becky Lynch. Johnny Gargano. Zelina Vega. Rey Mysterio. And then the Alan Ginger cards. Sasha Banks. Becky Lynch. And the sticker card for the New Day. Oh, nice. Five more packs. I love how many people have, not really love it, but I like how many people are no longer with WWE on these cards. But if you haven't read the spoiler results for SmackDown, congrats Sami Zayn. And then you have Edge. You have Cesaro. A hollow Ember Moon. The Miz 2021 trading card. John Morrison no longer there. They have Rikishi. Saw him at Icons of Wrestling in Philly back in December. And then we have the Big Red Machine, Kane. Alright, 4 more packs. The Fiend, Bray Wyatt. You have Nikki Ash. Turned into somewhat of a villain. And then, or ASH, I don't know what to call her Ash. But Angel Garza. Damian Priest. I'm liking his run. I wish he would. I liked it better in NXT, but we'll see how it goes. We have Big E. Didn't get really the run that you needed, but alright, there is the bad guy, Razor Ramon. Oh, that is awesome. And then we have a Randy Savage, or Macho Man Randy Savage. Oh, yeah. That's a terrible impression, but that's an awesome card. Here we go. 3 packs. here we go. John Morrison. AJ Styles. Lince Dorado. Is that how you say it? I don't know. You can correct me. Put the pronunciation in the comments. They have The Miz. 2006 Superstar card. We have Typhoon. The Ultimate Warrior. And a Hollow Samoa Joe. Awesome. These are definitely better than the WWE packs we were opening before. The blasters. That I have not uploaded any videos of. Because I didn't like the way we did them. But maybe they'll get released. I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, now we have Carmella. We had the hollow of this card earlier. We have Jimmy Uso. Mustafa Ali. Omos. Crazy but sexy. Alexa Bliss. And the Alan Genter cards. And Mr. Perfect. Kurt Hennig. Oh my God, that's awesome. And then our sticker card, Rey Mysterio. Last pack. Last pack. Then I eat some salmon. We have Otis, Titus O'Neil, Seth Rollins, a hollow Apollo Crews, the 2018 Miz card, the Godfather. Met him at the Icons of Wrestling as well. That was pretty awesome. And then we have the Fiend Bray Wyatt. And there we are. That concludes a full box, a blaster box of the Heritage packs. Hopefully I'll upload the other videos of the other WWE cards. But let me know what y'all thought. And have a great day.